Hey, did you know that Inriver have AI built in deep within the PIM that help users to automatically recognize and enrich product attributes directly from product images? This means faster and more accurate handling of your product data and less manual work. Let me show you what this looks like. Using the Inriver workflow, you can quickly see when and if products are missing any key attributes required for commerce. All you need to do is to simply select the fields you want to fill and enrich, and therefrom trigger Inriver's AI Inspire to run. The AI now automatically identifies and pulls out the key details needed to enrich the product data from the imagery assigned to each product, as you see to the left. The AI analyzes the images to understand exactly what is being shown to populate the relevant data. This follows the validation rules you have already configured in the system to determine the correct values. And if none of the available options would apply, the AI simply leaves the attribute untouched. Once the process is complete, a user can review the suggested values to make sure everything is correct before saving the changes. I hope this was helpful, and please send us a note or visit inriver.com for more information on visual attribute recognition or how we further have embedded the latest AI innovations directly into our PIM to help you accelerate your product content without compromising control. Thank you for watching.